या अभी मैं वही आप इतना अच्छा आपको ये सेशन दिया है, सो आई वांट मैक्सिमम members to become volunteers and utilize this platform. एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो अच्छा हम वॉलंटियर भी कर सकते हैं, एक सोशल एक्टिविटी हम कर सकते हैं। तो बहुत लोगों को घर पे रहकर ही दे कैन सी व्हाट ऑल द स्कीम्स यू आर हैविंग,
Yeah.
व्हाट ऑल द स्कीम्स कैन बी अप्लाइड, सो इवन यू कैन हेल्प अदर्स आल्सो। हम दूसरों को हेल्प मदद भी कर सकते हैं, बहुत लोगों को हेल्प कर कर, क्योंकि ऐसा-ऐसा ये अभी हम परसों भी देखे 2-3 लोग आकर ऑफिस में कितने बार गए, मेरे को ही पूछ रहा था। कितने बार जाकर हम पूछ रहे हैं कितना स्कीम्स है, वो स्कीम है, ये मेरे को स्कीम दिलाओ, वो स्कीम दिलाओ कहते बोलकर। हम कई को ऑफिस को जाकर इतना पेट्रोल लेकर इतना टाइम वर्क, जब हमारा मोबाइल में ही जितना सावधान है, तो हम उनको हेल्प कर सकता है। सो
Definitely.
लेट अस बी अ पार्ट। अभी आपको दूसरा मैं बोलता हूँ जो सुन रहा है, सो दोस हू वांट, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बी अ वॉलंटियर, make others, those who are in need of a job or who doesn't have any job, make them a volunteer. At least they can earn a small income at least, so that they are doing by social activities. They can give all the government rules and all. We have Manjunath Shastri also, the main person. Manjunath Shastri, I would like you to share some of the here.
Yeah, good morning all. I am Manjuna Shastri.
Yeah.
I am just becoming a member. I just received the ID. I used reference of Basha and then I just logging in. It's a very good
Okay,
initiative by
good.
ISRA. I was just going through the this thing founder members. It's a good scheme, provided we put some effort and then our free time to educate people. It will be a great help to the needy people, because many of the people are not aware what are the government schemes available. Actually, when we started Love in Action Society, this was one of our main objective. Now we joined hands with ISRA. It will be a great help. We will bring in more youth so that they can go and then door-to-door campaign can do on Sundays, and then encourage people to join government schemes. To just give an example, that Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is a very good scheme for a girl child below 10 years. Many are not aware. So that we can start them to open an account, because it is having very small amount, some 50 rupees per year, to keep the membership alive, and then it will be a great help to the society. Thank you, RK and ISRA coordinator, for this introductory session. We would like to have more sessions so that more of our members get benefited with this. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjunath Shastri. Afrin,
Very good to have this session, sir. We came to know what are the actual thing is available through this online, through this ISRA, sir. Now we can become a member or volunteer of this group, and we can help our needy people. So many will get benefit through this, sir.
yes, Afrin.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Priya,
like actually it's very helpful for others, sir. We got to know many new things that we usually go and ask in the government, like we usually go out, like Manjula ma'am, I and once we visited, and we were knowing the schemes, but we were not knowing the eligibility and all. But we got very helpful to know. We are very helpful to know about this scheme, sir. We will help others also by this.
thank you, Priya. Harsha,
Yeah, good morning all. It was really a wonderful session. I really appreciate this. Now I feel the world is in my hand because all information available for Leah to get access and to provide information to the needy. Really, I'm very happy. I think Leah will be strengthened with this session and see that we all get technologically involved and for the uplift of the needy. Thank you very much, Isra. Thank you, Leah. Thank you, Leah, as well.
Thank you, Harsha. Manjula.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to be a member of LIA, and also now that LIA is associated with ISRA. It's really a very nice thing. I mean, it's a very noble thing. I don't know from where Abraham sir has these ideas and all that, but it's really very good because we were going fetching office to office for the schemes, then the last dates, then really we had to struggle for a little while. Then again, finally, we came to know that even the dates are over, the schemes are not available, and all these things. But finally, when it is come to in our office, that is right in front of us, we know the schemes. When we went once to Leo office, our president showed us on the monitor that what are you eligible of. Simply, you're going, you're seeing for a scheme, and you're not eligible. Then it's a waste of going to that office and asking for that scheme. So when we saw a person is eligible of 17 to 18 schemes, that means he has a choice option to choose which scheme he is in need of. Now, for example, what is that? Sir was telling me about Abhishek was telling me about Pradhana Mantri Yojana, about those things of the rural, it is very much we have to stretch our hands and extend our branches and all that so that it reaches to the corner of the villages. I mean, most of them don't know what are the schemes and how to apply. See, some of my students have joined this session also. Afterwards they will speak to me, they will ask me, then I have to really I have to help them out. And thank you very much, Leah and Isra, for making us this, no, means I mean giving us this information. Till today, or we were unaware that there is ISRA and also so many schemes given by the government. So thank you very much. It was really nice to have this session, and I hope we'll have many more and bring more persons and connect many more persons to this. So it needs time because people are still not aware of what is ISRA and what are the schemes there. But slowly we will come up. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Manjula. Bashaji.
Good morning, everyone. Have a wonderful day to all. I'm very happy to today become a member of ISRA through our LIA group. It's very great thing to us because nowadays, small things we have to continuously we have to go to the offices, and we have experience of that. Manjula madam and all. So we are going regularly to know the scheme of the eligible for us, but still we don't know how to apply and all. So it is a grateful things to us. So further we are doing a great things and think is simple and smart way. So it is a good opportunity to we get that. So thank you for Manjuna sir to giving the me a opportunity to do something, and Abhishek sir and our president Abraham sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Abhishek ji, it was a wonderful session from your end. So still lot of members are there to join. So this is just a baby step. As every time, as every time our Manjunath Shastri, he is the main person who has introduced us into the Zoom meeting. Manjunath Shastri and Rajeshwari, they both are the person who introduced us into the Zoom. So people will still be a part of the Zoom meeting. So lot of sessions will go on. So let us see in future what all the best things we can do.